Hi folks, just a little, I'm going to add a little accessory to the Jeep. It's take two. My other GoPro, the sound's not good on it, so I use my GoPro Hero 5. I'll make this real quick. What this is a 10 CD universal holder that goes on your visor, and it actually goes like this, and it holds 10 CDs. It's got little pockets for like business cards and stuff, and it's got two elastics. It's very easy to put on. Pull out your visor. This actually stretches out. Slides over. It's got two elastics. Goes over the visor. Alright, real quick. See, it goes over the visor. Still have access to the vanity mirror. Just push that back, snap that in, and you're good to go. Oh, it's 10 CDs. Like I said, it's got little pockets here for business cards or whatever you want to put in. Yeah, I'll show you real quick. Got Billy Joel here. Hold your CDs, and there you go. I got it $8 off eBay. It's brand new on a card, sealed in the package. Came from Pennsylvania. So, real quick, here's the 10 CD universal visor holder, and I stuck it in the Jeep. Thank you. Have a good day.